Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. It's an honor to come your way again with another video. In this video I share with you how I make this millet dough. This dough you can use for your banku, hausa cocoa, fula, kenki and others. Let's get into the video. So I have my millet which I have already washed, and I've also removed every unwanted part from the millet. So I'll just go ahead and then soak my millet overnight. Okay, so guys, this is the next day and here is our millet. I'll go ahead and wash the millet. If today being your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm Getty and you are welcome to my channel where I share easy food recipes. If you like what you are seeing, kindly subscribe to the channel and be part of this amazing family. Okay, so after washing, I took it to the grinding mill. If you have your blender and it is very strong, it can also do the work perfectly. So after grinding, here we have the millet powder, very smooth, and I really love how it came out. Very fine and smooth powder. So I will just go ahead and then add some water. The water too, I'll be adding it bit by bit. So after that, I'll go ahead and then mix everything to form the dough. If you are still watching after this time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video among your friends and family. Guys, you can watch and follow me on Facebook. The name is Getty Cooks, and also watch my short videos on YouTube Short, Instagram and TikTok as Getty Cooks, and it is totally free. You don't have to pay any amount. Guys, as you can see, I'm just making the millet dough beautifully. This is very simple and quick to make. This millet dough is versatile because you can use it for your banku, your fula, kenke, hausa cocoa, burkina and others. Alright fam, so I'm now going to mold the millet dough into balls. That is what you are seeing now. And after molding everything, here is our millet dough beautifully made. So I'll just let this ferment for a day before using it, and you can equally store this in your freezer as well. Guys, let me know what you think about this millet dough and what you will use it for in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it interesting, give it a thumbs up, share this video among your friends. So I come your way again, guys. See you in my next one, and peace be with you all. Bye. Thank you.